Someone posted the McDonald's menu from the early 2000s. Oh, nice.
Right, all right.
All right, so we're actually shorting the SPY again
We
here.
are live. Hopefully you can see my screen here.
25 shares. We ended up taking a larger
All
position
right,
here.
here
I'm
we
going to try
are.
to cut
Okay,
this. Maybe we'll add some to it too.
go ahead and get some music going. Y'all can hear it. Okay, welcome to the very first live stream on Futures Live Trading. I'm going to do my best. I am looking to earn funding and Elite Trader funding. Hopefully y'all can hear the music. And we are brand new to this, so bear with me and we'll see how this goes down. I know this will take some time to build this up, and I really want to, just appreciate anybody who does show up to this live stream here. So let's go ahead and dive in and do some trading. Let's do this. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so we've done a little bit of trading. We're up $325. This is paper trading, okay? And this is about the time that I like to trade futures. It's around 7:30 on the West Coast here, and you can see we've already drawn in some levels. A lot of this stuff has just existed. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick long here, and we're gonna look for about, let's go to 15 ticks. I'm currently using Thinkorswim. I will be likely trading in my valuation account here, but trying to get warmed up here for the day. So we're down a little bit on this trade here. I need to cut this. We do have the TTM stacked up. We do have our 9, 12, 26 crossover, so it does look good. I meant to take 2 contracts here of the NQ, but we only took 1. But yeah, kind of right there. I think I need to cut this for another few seconds. How much time we got left in this candle? We got 10 seconds left in this candle. So not getting it, so I'm gonna cut that. Kind of a big L on that one. Not how we wanted to start the stream off, but that's okay. We're still up 115 on the day. And we're going to wait until we get this crossover. So we got this 50-200 line here. And that right there, if we get this 50 crossing over the 200, we'll see a lot of bullish action. But we have already kind of hit our high of the day up here and reverse trends. And so now we're kind of hoping that this is the bottom. We're just above the volume weighted average price. So it's still kind of in this bullish territory. See, I move my charts around a lot, but hey. Okay, all right, we're getting that flip around here. Look for 15 ticks. At 2 contracts, it's about 150. Just trying to see if this comes up and hits this resistance point again. Right there at that 200 moving average is right where we're looking to hit. And there we go, we got it. So that's 150. Obviously, we lost more on that on the other run. This definitely was a much larger run with that. Let's go ahead and switch over to 20. And we'll apply this pullback here inside this candle. And we're looking for a rip right back up. And we didn't immediately get it, so I should look for an area to cut. I should have honestly cut out, and I would have. I was adjusting the chart, and that's, that's why I got to be quick. We're going to take that 100 bucks there. All right, so we're up 385 on the day. And, yeah, looking pretty good here, pretty solid. So, not bad so far. Not bad at all. All right. So this little pullback here, gonna take quick long. I was looking for a little bit more of a pop. We do still got the TTM. We got the 1226. We're really close to this 5200 cross. Up 90 in this trade, 120. I'm gonna drop it right there. Take that quick 110 bucks. All right, so we're at $515 on the day. Not a bad day so far. Super fast, super quick. Hey, look at that. We got a second like. If, you know, we got one person watching now. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You know, you're why I do this. All right, so we got this 1 minute pullback here, and we do get the TTM. We're so close to this 5200 cross, and that's going to really show a trend reversal here. Still on 20 ticks, and how much time we got left in this candle? About 10 seconds. Grab a quick long here. If we get that rush up on this next candle here. It's a new candle. We did start green. But it looks like it's not exactly where we need it to be. So I'm just cut this here real fast. That was kind of another big L down at 275. We're up at 515. That's actually pretty fat L on that one. We're still up 275 on the day. So hey, that's not bad. Whoever's watching, you know, by all means, you know, feel free to comment. Let me know I'm not alone in the universe. All right, so we're getting a pullback here. If we scroll in here, I'm just gonna get real close. You can see what I'm watching here. So we got this bullish action. This yellow line here is the 9 EMA, and we got this 12 line here, the 12 EMA, and then we got this 35 EMA. Then we got this 50, or sorry, this 200 SMA. That's a simple moving average, and then we got this 50 green one here, 50 EMA. Now, once this 50 crosses over this red 200 moving average here, we'll see a lot of really bullish action. You see we're getting a big pullback here. This is really important for the bullish action, for the trend reversal. Not just like a quick trend reversal, but a full-on trend reversal for this 50 to cross over this 200, and that'll give us more of a longer-term look at things. The other ones, the 9, the 12, 35, these are useful for quick longs. Now, if you're not looking to take big profit, but you're looking to scalp, these are really useful for that. So, got multiple strategies going here at one time, and yeah, that's kind of the way I do it. A lot of times you'll see me trading in between candles and just looking to take advantage of that. Big drop here in the NQ. Dropping down below the volume weighted average price. Let's see if it comes back up above that, or we'll see if we end up going very bearish on the day. Seeing some shorts cover here, pulling it back up above the view app. I don't trust it yet. Waiting for this trend to play out. See if we end up going bearish completely on the day. Right now we're kind of neutral. And look at that, we got 3 likes. Thank you every single person, every one of you who has liked the channel, who has liked the video. Thank you. Please consider subscribing. This does help me grow this channel. Again, we are paper trading this account. We will likely trade some live futures in our evaluation account. But for now, want to make sure that we're kind of getting our footing, getting our momentum. So that's why we're trading this this paper trading account here, and talking about some of the strategies that we're using in order to make this profit here on this paper trading account. So I don't trust it enough to go short or to go long yet, just because we're so close to the view app. That's this purple line right here. And we've got these kind of support and resistance levels that I put in here earlier. And so it does look like we're getting a little bit of some buy up happening down here on this candle. See if we get a shoot back up through the view app, but looks like we might. This 5200 cross is going to be big if it does happen, if we do happen to get it. Back in here. All right, we're going to take a quick long right there. Might regret this. In kind of sketchy territory. I'm going to take this. There we go, we got out. Okay, so we're at 415 on the day. So that was from 275, but 415, not bad. Not bad on that one. We did get back above VWAP, but we are still running into resistance there at that 200 moving average. TTM is still showing a red for the buy-in, so completely sold on long yet. That and our indicators. Okay, so we did get the flip over. Okay, got this resistance level here. Okay. Still getting that pullback. You can see on the TTM that we're getting a little bit of breakdown over time with these darker blue here. So with the darker blue, that's showing us that we're getting a cooling off. With the lighter blue, the cyan, we're getting a ramping up. So with this cooling off here, I don't feel necessarily comfortable going long or short yet, considering that we're just very much in this neutral territory, very much in the sideways action here. There is a lot of opportunity for this to go up, I think. And I think that this stuff will eventually get bought up, but where we're currently at, we're still in this phase sideways action here. Running in that 200 moving average resistance. With the 200 moving average and the volume weighted average price kind of acting as support and resistance, they're getting tighter and tighter together. So we are going to see some drastic movement in either direction. I tend to be a bit more bullish, so I think that we're likely going to see upward momentum on that, but could be wrong. Still not seeing what I want to see yet. We're so close, and yet so far. So this channel is going to be a hell of a lot more than just futures trading. We also talk about entrepreneurship, personal development, self-awareness. We talk about a lot of different stuff here. For those who don't know, I've been around the entrepreneurship block for a while, and well over a decade now. And I've kind of been through it all, seen it all, kind of thing. And I've spent a lot of time working on myself and everything of that nature. And so, I'm not gonna say I have all the answers, and anybody who ever says that they do is trying to sell you something. But but I do think that I got a little bit of insight. So I kind of like talking about that type of stuff, self-awareness and spirituality, entrepreneurship, anything that allows a person to really kind of step into their power. That's really one thing I like to focus on a lot. And so, we'll probably be talking about some of that type of stuff, and obviously futures. And yeah, we're switching over to more of a bearish trend here on as far as the indicators go. Now, as far as the charts go, it looks kind of more bullish. So I'm gonna just switch to like 5 ticks here and just take a quick short, see what happens. And I immediately regret it and flat that. Took a L for no reasons, as I see it. Because like I said, I thought the chart looked kind of bullish. I think I was just getting bored, frankly, and just wanting to take a trade. But we are seeing like a lot of slowdown on the TTM. The indicators are turning bearish. I mean, everything kind of points towards bearish action, but this VWAP is kind of holding it up and holding that support. I still think that we're going to end up going bearish on this. Switch to 30. There we go. Take a short. Got in not at a great spot. Really was trying to get in where the candle's at right now. Now we're going negative on the day. We're gonna see if how this works out here. I still have conviction in this trade. I just think it's gonna take a little bit longer. Why is there no music playing? Oh my gosh. There's no music playing this whole time. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, everybody. I apologize profusely. There should have been music playing this entire time. We got the music going. Hopefully y'all can hear it. Back to flat on that trade at the moment. Still waiting for this candle here. The second candle. Looks like we're getting some shorts covering. Not what we want to see. We want to see it continue to be shorted. Continue to be sold. And there's the conviction that we're looking for. There we go. We got it. All right. So that puts us at 535. That was not a comfortable trade because we got filled in at a place that we really didn't want to get filled in. Was trying to get filled in here, and we ended up getting filled at the bottom of the candle. Not what we wanted, but it did work out, and so we were able to get something going on there with that trade. So now we're up 535 on the day. Still looking at a short here. But I might switch out to a smaller amount of ticks and go short right there. Should have waited for it to go a little bit higher on the red candle here, but I do once again still have conviction in this trade. I don't know. Kind of dicey. How much time we got? We got 40 seconds on this candle. That is not fun. And we're out. I'm out. All right, took another L. So we were up at 515. Now we're up at 385 on the day. The reason why I cut that is just because I'm seeing more buying pressure than I want. I do still think this thing's going to drop because it just indicator wise it's going to keep going, but I didn't want to risk a lot of shorts covering all at once, especially because we had these 4 red candles in a row. So if, or 1 2 3, yeah, we're on our 4th red candle in a row. Just because of that really was a big thing. Kind of let me out, or you know, made me want to get out of the trade. 1 2 3 4, we're heading into our 5th red candle in a row. That's just too many red candles in a row for me. I would like to see, you know, I think I'd like to see some shorts cover first before I take another position, or potentially take a long as those shorts cover. But to me, that's really risky, especially because I'd be trading against the trend underneath the VWAP, and with the 200 on top of the 50, that definitely is going to make me feel more. That's going to make me feel a lot more bearish about it. Yeah, take a quick short here. And I think I'll just take the couple of bucks off that one. So now we're up 465 on that one. Should have taken that short. I saw it right there on the candle. I saw the peak. That definitely would have been a nice quick pop. Still got 20 seconds left on this candle. Definitely moving towards a more bearish trend on the day. Let's pull this out here and just see what this chart is looking like. So we did kind of hit some bottoms already. This was our support from earlier, and we're kind of riding that support line right now. If we drop below this, kind of like what we saw right here, but this did get bought up. If we drop below this, then we could continue to fade for a lot of the day. But it looks like we're getting some buyback. Just that continual buying pressure. Very neutral day. Very, very sideways. Alright, see some shorts covering. If we start to see the TTM switch over to yellow, I may be prone to take a scalp. And there's our drop down a little bit. Still not really what I would consider to be a breakdown, but no, it's something. Look at that support, man. Every time it drops, gets bought. Very, very, very sideways. Really great day for scalping if you're into these kind of movements. I like a little bit more of a clearer trend, but you know, hey, we got something. So appreciate the likes, everybody. All right, there we go. Getting some drop down. I can tell that I'm fighting boredom in terms of trading. I can tell that that's a big challenge that I'm personally dealing with right now at this particular point in time. We'll likely keep these streams pretty short, maybe like 20-30 minutes, just each day, just to, you know, we'll be here around 7:30 Pacific time, 10:30 market time every day. And the reason why we're doing it kind of later, about an hour after the open, is just because by then I've really kind of found a lot of my edge, because the trend has begun to form in a way that's a little bit more understandable to me. And I'm, for the most part, pretty much trade the NQ. Practically a doji here. It's the last 3 seconds of this candle. I think it'll continue to go down, but almost ended as a doji. Got a little red hammer candle. Seeing some buying pressure coming in. Some shorts covering. And there's that switch to the yellow on the TTM that I was talking about. And it seemed kind of... It seemed very, very possible to me because it has such a hard time falling through the support level. It really, really held it really well. So that to me kind of indicated that we're going to see more of a movement back up. I think that we're going to test the volume weighted average price here shortly. If we get a little pullback, I might take a quick long. How much time we got left? New candle here. There's the pullback. Take a quick long right there. Maybe should have waited for a larger pullback, but you know, gotta go with what we got. This is our entry point. So Might take my profits right there. We're up 50 bucks on that trade. That puts us up $515 on the day. Still pretty decent. Up 515, not bad. That's right around where we were at earlier. So made all that money back. We are getting this consolidation here on the TTM. We get the possible crossover. So we really have some good indication for bullish action, along with all the support being bought up. We could see a quick rip up, but I think that it may be more likely that we're going to see kind of like some consolidation, if you will, where we're seeing a little bit go up at a time. Hey, look at that. We got 2 watching. Thank you so much to everybody who is watching right now. Whether it's 200, 2,000, or 2 million, I appreciate each and every one of you. I love each and every one of you. I'll try and offer as much insight as I possibly can. I'm still learning, and you know, I think that I'll always be learning, but hopefully I can offer you some insight that helps you with your trading or helps you with your entrepreneurship or anything else. So much love and appreciation. Thank you for being here. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, so we've got, I might take a long on this pullback here. I guess that's not exactly where I wanted to be, but I think it's a decent enough entry point. I think with this crossover here, if the 9's crosses over the 12, we'll get a little bit of a pop. There we go, we got it. So we're up 675 on the day. I probably could have taken more tick size, a little bit larger tick on that. Maybe like 200 or 20 ticks, sorry. So like $200. But I'm trying to keep my risk low. Yeah, I'm gonna switch over to 26 and pull back here a little bit and take a look at this now. Okay, so we'll see if we continue to run into resistance at this 200 moving average. I'm a little bit more bullish now that we got this sort of cup and handle going on here. We did see this support level get bought up really well and got, you know, just came all the way back up to the volume weighted average price. So now we got this little pullback here. I'm gonna take a quick long and hopefully get a run up past the moving average. There we go. That's another 200 in the bank. So that is $885 up on the day. 885 bucks. Hey, we're doing okay, right? Not bad at all. I mean, $885 a day. I mean, you know, if only this were real money. But, you know, we're working on that with our evaluation. We are seeing a turnaround here on the CCM. We are seeing a trend reversal, and this is what I really want to see, and that's making me a lot more bullish. I'm gonna switch over to 30 ticks, and we'll go for a $300. How much time we got left in this candle? We got about 15 seconds left in this candle. I think that where are we at? Okay, so we're above VWAP. We're a long way on the 52. So longer than I want to be, but that's okay. We got this resistance level right here that we're about to run into. Let's see what happens. Probably see some people, probably I'm guessing a fair amount of people, take their profits right here. But you can see we're just starting to get the flip over in the TTM. I love the TTM. It's one of my favorite indicators. I have a video on it. Y'all should check it out if you don't know, if you haven't seen it before. But that video really kind of explains what I'm looking at here in the TTM. Nice pullback, and we're gonna take that long here. Hopefully we a little bit, like, I wanted the candle to be a little bit closer to being over with, but this pullback is, I think, still got a pretty good entry point here. We're looking for $200 or so, 200 ticks. No, we're looking for 300 ticks, 30 ticks. Bleh, $300. 2 contracts. Oh, day. Lost the music. Need more music. More music indeed. Let's try this dude. See how this dude sounds. Tell me if y'all like the music. Or if the music sounds good. Or if you can even hear the music. It's a little bit more of a pullback that I wanted to see. But I do think that I do think we're in a good position. Turn this down a little bit. Better. And there it was. Now we're up $1,205 on the day. That is awesome. That's great. $1,205. Y'all saw it happen here live. And with that, guys, that's it. I mean, that's the whole stream. 30 minutes and we're done. We're up $1,205. I hope you guys got some value out of this, and I hope you guys figured out some sort of clarity in your own strategy. I hope that if anything else, this helps you get ahead or just understand everything about your trading better. So with that, guys, we're gonna go ahead and shut it down. We did awesome, I think, for our very first stream. We got a couple of viewers. We got 3 likes. Thank you for all 3 of those. I really deeply appreciate all 3 of you. Thank you very much. And we'll see you guys in the next stream. Now, real quick, very soon, we are going to be redirecting these streams into another stream, or another almost like a podcast type stream, where we are talking about entrepreneurship, we're talking about self-awareness, we're just having a dope, just community discussion, and it'll just be like a party. So, and I'd love to see you guys there. We're gonna start doing that maybe later this week, if not next week. There is like a subscriber limit thing that I'm required to do in order to do a redirect, so it may end up being its own separate stream for a while until we grow this channel past 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, make sure you turn on the notifications, ring the bell, and we'll see you in the next stream. Peace.